Here's Isabel, the warrior, cutting up apples. Here's my dad eating and watching Seinfeld. And here's me eating macaroni and blueberries, and soon I will be eating corn and apples. Here's Isabel's homework. Let's see. Here she is. And here's her homework. So Isabel's homework. And we're at home. And she works. And it's me. The corn is out of the pot. Now I will be eating these things. So, bye.